The mean girl in every high school movie be like. Do you know someone who goes crazy for love?
No! Oh my god!
How I'd react when coming home to an unwanted guest. Plate number manufacturer checking on his product's durability. World-class acrobat duo is seen practicing their performance today. I can see this lady's potential to be a successful supermodel. It's impossible to sneak food through this security checkpoint. Having no friends doesn't matter when you can have fun on your own. This mini horse is an example of small but mighty. I think she purposely snuck out just to ring the doorbell.
Oh no. Come on, Ducky. Show you. Come on, Ducky. Oh man.
Now you know we shouldn't be too curious about something unusual. What really happens after she is determined to be active during summer? How my ex-boyfriend runs from our relationship problems. Trumpeter performs his new solo song. These talented candidates are heating the dance competition.
Go on.
Have to improvise a little due to her teammates' uncooperation.
Yeah, I told your ass to get out there.
When laziness is on the next level. No animal has beaten pandas on silliness up to now. The party starts to go a bit wild after midnight. What happens when chickens are brought up by Mother Duck?
你哋見過未啊？你哋見過嘛？會咬到啲街。
Reminds me of the time I had a really bad glitch in a game.
Hello.
The consequences of having too many energy drinks. Looks like my brother is trying to take all the last drops. Everything is possible with effective teamwork. How drama queens react to a problem. My mom gives the same stare when I tease her favorite child.
没事儿没事儿啊。
Are these lovebirds from France? 'Cause they're doing it the French way. The consequences of not bathing regularly. Someone's really having an attitude here.
Bravo!
Did you know that scorpions also need privacy? This is how I try to run in a nightmare. How the kids would be on any spinny chair. Getting stuck in sheep traffic. Who's gonna believe that? That awkward start of a lifelong friendship. Underwater performer is nailing his juggling tricks as usual. When you casually let life decide your fate. How I'd be after seeing my mom's 10 missed calls. Now that's the undeniable sign of a foodie.
那个靠北。
A visual representation of me during mood swing. Planning to turn the watermelon into a house. This must have something to do with his relationship. This goofball just proudly enjoys the moment.
Uy, la sombra del fresnito pega bien.
Find joy in the little things around you must be the precious lesson we learn from this introverted otter. There's no need to hire an entire yacht when you're supported by an all-inclusive tour like this. Don't forget that regular stretching is essential for strong bones.